How to purchase seats. There are two ways to purchase seats on childsafeguarding.com. The first is to use the purchase seats process directly on your dashboard here, or using the purchase seats button on the registration page you saw after you registered your organization. By using this process, you'll be able to pay by credit card and have immediate access to the seats that you purchase. Alternatively, you can contact us if you need an invoice or need to do a purchase order, and we will issue you an invoice that you can use to pay by bank transfer or credit card. The pricing for both purchase processes are exactly the same, except when you pay by bank transfer or using an invoice, we will have to wait until the funds are received on our side before we can allocate the seats to you. Let's now go through the purchase seat process on the system itself. To begin, you click on the Purchase Seats button, and then you will be asked to verify your information to ensure that the data that we have in the system is accurate and up to date. Including for schools, we will ask you to update your reporting information. Next, you'll be asked to choose languages to use on the system. If you've already chosen languages through our Add Language process, those languages will have a checkbox next to them. If this is your first time through, you can choose whatever languages that you want. Please remember that adding languages is totally free, so if you only want to add one or two at this point and come back later, that's fine. Next, you'll decide how many seats you want to buy. We sell seats in packages, and we recommend that you buy more seats than you need because you will have employees that will come in off-cycle that will need to use the system. It's better to buy seats at a larger package than individually so that you pay a lower per unit cost. If you need more than 400 seats, please contact us at sales@childsafeguarding.com and we will give you enterprise pricing. After you select your package, you'll then complete your purchase. On the verification page, you'll be asked to verify all the information about your organization again, about the languages that you require, and the package you're looking to purchase. If you want to change any of this, you can do this here. From this point, you'll be asked to enter in your credit card information, along with your billing details and your postal code, and then be asked to complete the purchase. Once your credit card transaction is completed successfully, you'll see that those seats that you purchased are immediately available for distribution to your learners. One quick note about the seats that you purchase on childsafeguarding.com. The seats that you purchase are not entrances into the course, they're exits, which means that a seat does not become used until a learner actually receives a completion certificate once they go through the course completely. So if you have somebody on your staff that doesn't complete the course, you can terminate those in-progress sessions and make the seats available for someone else to use. So if somebody doesn't finish, you don't lose the money that you spent on that particular seat. Now you'll also notice that the language that you chose is available down here. We'll talk more about languages when we do the Add Language video a little bit later. And then finally, all of your transactions will be listed at the bottom that you can look at in detail by clicking on the View Detail button right here.